Hello, first graders. It's me, Miss Nolte. Today, we're going to be talking about antonyms. So last week, I did a video for you on synonyms. So synonyms were words that meant the same thing. And we talked about they both start with S, so that's how we can remember synonym means the same. Okay, this week, we're going to be talking about antonyms. If a synonym is two words that mean the same thing, I want you to think now, what do you think an antonym is going to be? Hopefully, you're thinking that an antonym is going to be two words that mean the opposite. So synonyms are words that mean the same thing. Antonyms are words that are opposites. And we've actually done opposites before. So you've done this lots in kindergarten, and we've done some in first grade before, but now we're just putting the real name with it, which is an antonym. So an antonym is two words that are opposites, okay? So I've given us some words on the board today, and we're gonna come up with the antonym or the opposite for these words. So our first word is happy. Think about happy, what being happy means, and now I want you to think, what would the opposite of happy be? The opposite of happy is sad. You're happy when something really good happens. If that really good thing doesn't happen, it will probably make you sad. Happy and sad are antonyms because they mean the opposite. Hot. When mom cooks dinner, she probably cooks you something very, very hot. But the opposite of hot would be ice cream, which is cold. Hot, and the antonym for hot is cold because those are opposites. The next one is tall. If somebody's really tall, what would be the opposite? Short. Dad might be very tall, and maybe mom is very short. Tall and short are antonyms. They're opposites. Day is what we have when the sun comes out. That word is a little bit sloppy, you guys. Day is what we have when the sun comes out. What would be the opposite of day? Hopefully you said night. Night and day are opposites, so those are antonyms. Big. Sometimes maybe you get to have a big piece of cake for dessert. Other times, maybe you only get the opposite, which is a small piece of cake. Big and small are opposites, so they're antonyms. So that's pretty easy because you've done opposites before, so you're really just putting the fancy name on it, which is antonyms, okay? You're gonna have to be careful because now that you know both synonyms and antonyms, you're gonna have to be careful for when a page in your workbook or a page in your reading packet gives you words. You have to be careful about which one you're looking for. Are you looking for a synonym that means the same thing, or are you looking for an antonym that means the opposite? So you have to know what those words mean, which is why the synonym and same, both starting with S, kind of makes it easier to remember. So synonym is two words that mean the same thing. Antonym are two words that are opposite, like all of these on the board. Happy, sad, hot and cold, tall and short, day and night, big and small. These are all opposites. They're all antonyms. So make sure you're being very careful when you read your directions to know if you're looking for synonyms, which are the same, or antonyms, which are opposites or different, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments for me, or you can send me a message and I'll get back to you. I miss you guys. Bye.